Hello everyone, we are Kacise. Today, I will explain how to set up and operate the KPG201 digital pressure gauge. First, long press the UNIT at the lower left corner. After pressing, a storage icon will appear on the screen, indicating that the device has started recording data. Since we have previously saved some data in the gauge, this section will briefly introduce the main functions of the settings menu. Press the menu key and enter the password 100 to access the system settings interface. Data sampling. This item allows you to set the sampling frequency, such as 8 times per second or 2 times per second. The factory default setting is 2 times per second. Backlight time. Options include 5 south, 10s, 20s, 30s, or always on. It is generally not recommended to use the always on mode. The factory default is 20 seconds. Auto power off. You can set the device to automatically shut down after 5, 10, 20, or 30 minutes, or disable this feature entirely. This function is currently not required to be enabled. Auto lock function. Since the touch buttons are very sensitive, this function helps prevent accidental touches when the device is idle. We usually keep this feature disabled. Storage interval. The value 1 means one record is saved every 1 second. You may also set it to 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, or 5 minutes. After completing the settings, long press the unit key to return. The factory default is 1 second per record. After confirming the settings, press the power key to restart the device. Data export method. There are 2 ports on the back of the device. The upper port is for charging, and the lower port is for data export. Please use the dedicated data cable for connection. Exporting data via computer. Connect the device to a computer using the dedicated cable. Then open the provided software. Enter the password 002 on the device and press confirm. The indicator light in the software will turn green, showing successful connection. Click Upload. Select the folder where the file will be saved, and click Save. After the upload is complete, click Confirm. You can now view the collected data. Click Table. You can now view the collected data, including pressure values, units, date, year, month, day, and exact time. By default, the device records 1 data point per second. You can generate an Excel file from the data. Click Export, and the file will appear in your computer folder. After the import is complete, click Confirm. You can find the exported data file on the In Your Computer folder. Open it to view the measurement data. You can also print the data curve. If the current data values are 0, the curve will be flat. Exporting data via USB flash drive. Unplug the data cable and insert a USB flash drive. Enter the password 001 and press Confirm. The device will start reading the data, and the screen will display the number of data entries. When the process is complete, the display will show OK. You can then remove the USB drive and insert it into a computer. Open the software, click Import, and select the file named with the pressure gauge serial number from the USB drive. Open the file to view the data. It will be identical to the data exported via computer, and you can also export it in Excel format. Data clearing method. If you no longer need old data, you can either overwrite it by starting a new recording session or manually clear the memory. Enter the password 131 to check the current number of stored records. Long press the 0 key to clear all data. This process takes about 20 to 30 seconds. Once clearing is complete, the pressure gauge will automatically restart, and all data will be deleted.